Let's get real. Being busy isn't an excuse to neglect your health. If you want to lose weight but work is eating your time, these 10-minute meals are for you. I've heard "I don't have time" 1,000 times. Enough. Your health should be a priority, not an afterthought. We're not slaving over a stove for hours, just smart, efficient, delicious food that fuels your body. You can make something amazing in 10 minutes. It's about technique, ingredients, and a plan. I'll show you 3 fat-burning meals you can whip up faster than ordering takeout. These aren't sad diet meals. They're vibrant, satisfying, and full of flavor. So, clear your head, ditch the excuses, and let's get cooking. Ready? Let's go. First up, the smoked chicken avocado crunch bowl. No cooking required, just simple assembly and fresh ingredients. This is the kind of meal that proves healthy eating can be both effortless and delicious. Start by grabbing quality smoked chicken breast from a good deli. Skip the overly processed stuff. Look for chicken that's freshly smoked, with a clean ingredient list and no artificial flavors or fillers. Slice it thinly and lay it in a bowl. Take a moment to arrange it nicely. Presentation matters, even if you're just making lunch for yourself. When your food looks good, you're more likely to enjoy it and feel satisfied. Next, grab a perfectly ripe avocado. Slice it open, remove the pit, and fan those creamy slices right beside the chicken. The combination of smoky chicken and buttery avocado is unbeatable. Now for crunch. Tear up some crisp romaine lettuce as your base. Add in sliced cucumber for coolness and have cherry tomatoes for a burst of color and sweetness. These veggies bring the bowl to life. These fresh ingredients add fiber, vitamins, and a rainbow of color to your meal. Eating a variety of colors means you're getting a range of nutrients, and it just makes the bowl more inviting. For the dressing, keep it simple and bright. Squeeze fresh lemon juice over everything, drizzle with extra virgin olive oil, and season with a pinch of sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper. This brings all the flavors together. Drizzle lightly, just enough to enhance the flavors, not drown them. The lemon and olive oil add richness and tang without overpowering the fresh ingredients. The lemon juice also keeps the avocado green and bright, so your bowl looks as good as it tastes, even if you prep it ahead. Add a sprinkle of toasted pumpkin or sunflower seeds for extra crunch, healthy fats, and a nutty flavor. These little seeds pack a nutritional punch and make every bite more interesting. In under 10 minutes, you've built a powerhouse meal. Lean protein, healthy fats, fiber, and a spectrum of vitamins and minerals. It's a complete lunch that keeps you full and focused. It's portable too. Just assemble everything in a container, keep the dressing separate until you're ready to eat, and you've got a fresh homemade lunch to take to work or school. No more sad desk lunches or heavy food comas that leave you sluggish. This bowl is a total upgrade from the usual midday fare. This bowl fuels your brain and body, keeping you energized and in fat-burning mode all afternoon. You'll notice the difference in your focus and mood. Every ingredient here works for you, not against you. Each one is chosen for its flavor, nutrition, and how it supports your goals. Smoked chicken, avocado, lettuce, tomato, cucumber, seeds, lemon, olive oil. This is clean eating with zero compromise. You get all the taste, all the benefits, and none of the junk. This is how you win the workday, by fueling yourself with food that supports your energy, focus, and well-being. While others crash after heavy lunches, you'll be sharp, alert, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Just 10 minutes invested in your well-being pays off all day long. It's a small effort for a big reward. Remember this bowl next time you think you're too busy for a healthy meal. You can make it faster, then you can order takeout. Slice, assemble, done. This is fast food, redefined. It's quick, but it's also nourishing and satisfying. That's your secret weapon for busy days. A meal that's ready in minutes and keeps you feeling your best. You're in control, both chef and strategist, making choices that set you up for success. This isn't just a meal, it's a game plan for your day. No more excuses, just results, one bowl at a time. Make it once, and you'll never want to go back to bland, overpriced takeout salads again. It's delicious, deeply satisfying, and keeps you on track with your health goals, without ever feeling deprived. You deserve food that makes you feel incredible, inside and out. This bowl delivers every time. This is the new standard for lunch, fresh, vibrant, and made by you. Try it for yourself, and you'll see the difference in how you feel and perform. Fast, fresh, and full of flavor. This is what real food should be. That's how you eat for success, fueling your ambition with every bite. Ready for the next meal? Let's keep this momentum going and make healthy eating your new habit. Healthy eating doesn't have to be hard or time-consuming. With a few smart choices, it becomes second nature. It just takes a little planning and the right ingredients. You've got this. One meal at a time. Next up, dinner in 7 minutes. Stay with me, let's make it happen. Onto the skillet. Dinner time. Let's keep it fast and simple. After a long day, the last thing you want is a complicated recipe or a pile of dishes. You need something that's quick, nourishing, and leaves you feeling good. Meet your new favorite, the 7-minute garlic egg white veggie skillet. It's the ultimate go-to for busy nights when you want real food, real fast, pure protein, big flavor, zero fuss. This meal is all about maximizing nutrition and taste while minimizing effort. Start by heating a non-stick pan with a splash of olive oil. The oil helps everything cook evenly and adds a subtle richness. Smash and finely chop 2 garlic cloves, then toss them in. Let them sizzle for a few seconds, just until fragrant. Don't let them burn, or you'll lose that sweet, mellow garlic flavor. Add a big handful of fresh spinach. Watch as it wilts down in seconds, turning vibrant green and packing in vitamins and fiber. Pour in liquid egg whites, straight from the carton. No need to separate eggs or waste yolks. It's pure convenience and pure protein. Season generously with salt, pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little heat. You can even add a sprinkle of your favorite herbs for extra flavor. Let the edges set, then gently pull the cooked egg toward the center with a spatula, tilting the pan so the uncooked egg flows into the gaps. This technique keeps your eggs tender and fluffy. Repeat this motion until you have soft, fluffy curds. Don't overcook. The key is to keep the eggs just barely set, so they stay moist and light. Slide everything onto a plate while it's still glossy, and just cook through. The residual heat will finish the eggs perfectly so they're never dry. In just minutes, you've got a hot, savory, protein-packed meal that's as satisfying as it is healthy. It's perfect after a workout, or as a late dinner when you want something filling but not heavy. You'll feel satisfied, not sluggish. Want to mix it up? Add kale, mushrooms, or bell peppers for extra color, crunch, and nutrients. This skillet is endlessly customizable. Use whatever veggies you have on hand. The principle is simple, fast, high protein, low calorie, and absolutely delicious. It's a meal that works for your goals, not against them. In less time than it takes to order delivery, you're eating a meal that fuels your body and your ambitions. No waiting, no mystery ingredients. This skillet proves you don't need carbs to feel full. The combination of protein and fiber keeps you satisfied for hours. Spinach and egg whites fill you up without spiking your blood sugar, making this a great option for anyone watching their carbs or calories. So put down the phone, grab a pan, and give yourself just 7 minutes. You'll be amazed at what you can create. No more excuses. This is smart cooking for busy lives, meals that fit your schedule, not the other way around. You're in control of your results, one meal at a time. Every choice adds up. Make it once, and you'll crave it again. It's that easy. Fast, hot, and healthy every single time. That's how you end your day right, with a meal that's good for your body and your mind. Ready for a no-cook option? Let's wrap it up, literally. Sometimes, you need something even faster. Eating well is about making smart choices, not spending hours in the kitchen. You've got the tools and the know-how. Now, it's time to use them. Next up, a 5-minute meal for your busiest nights. Stay tuned, you're almost at the finish line. One more recipe to master. Let's finish strong and keep the momentum going. On to the wraps. This is where fast food meets real food. Let's go. You're ready for the next step. Our last dish of the night, lemon yogurt tuna lettuce wraps, is the ultimate answer to those late-night cravings. It's light, refreshing, and comes together in minutes, making it perfect for anyone who wants to eat well without spending hours in the kitchen. Picture this. It's late, you're exhausted from a long day, and your stomach is rumbling. You want something fast, cool, and satisfying, but you don't want to derail your healthy habits. This is your 5-minute zero-cook meal. No stove, no oven, just simple, wholesome ingredients and a little bit of prep. Start with a can of good quality tinned tuna. Drain it thoroughly to avoid any excess liquid, then use a fork to gently flake it into bite-sized pieces. Tuna is a fantastic source of lean protein, making it ideal for a quick, nourishing meal. Instead of mayonnaise, reach for plain Greek yogurt. It adds a creamy texture, a tangy flavor, and a boost of protein. Plus, it keeps the dish lighter and healthier. Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice for a burst of brightness. The citrus cuts through the richness of the tuna and yogurt, making every bite taste fresh and lively. Next, finely chop red onion and celery. These veggies add a satisfying crunch and a pop of flavor, transforming your tuna salad from basic to crave-worthy. Don't forget the fresh herbs. Dill, parsley or chives all work beautifully. They bring a garden-fresh aroma and a layer of complexity to the mix. Season generously with salt and pepper, then gently fold everything together until well combined. The key is to keep the texture light and fluffy. Give it a taste. Maybe you want a little more lemon or an extra pinch of salt. Adjust until it's just right for you. For the wrap, choose crisp lettuce leaves like iceberg, romaine, or butter lettuce. These sturdy greens make the perfect edible cups for your filling. Wash and dry the leaves thoroughly. They need to be fresh and dry so they hold the filling without getting soggy. Spoon a generous amount of the tuna salad into each leaf, but don't overfill. You want to be able to pick them up and eat them easily, without any mess. Arrange 3 or 4 wraps on a plate for a perfect light meal that's as visually appealing as it is delicious. The result? Vibrant, fresh, and beautiful wraps that are guilt-free and perfect for late-night eating or a quick lunch. Each bite is packed with protein, flavor, and a satisfying crunch from the veggies and lettuce. No heat, no pans, and barely any cleanup. Just a bowl, a fork, and a few minutes of your time. This is smart, efficient eating for busy professionals, students, or anyone who wants to stay on track with their goals. Think of it as your emergency meal for those diet emergencies when you need something healthy, fast, and satisfying. With these wraps, you can stay on track even on your toughest, most tempting days. Preparation is your secret weapon. Keep your fridge stocked with the basics, and you'll always have a healthy option at your fingertips. You don't need to be a chef, just smart and prepared. These wraps prove that healthy eating can be simple, quick, and totally satisfying. Satisfying, delicious, and designed to keep you moving toward your goals, one bite at a time. No more too tired to cook excuses. You can whip up something healthy and tasty in less time than it takes to order delivery. This isn't cooking, it's assembling brilliance. In just 5 minutes, you've got a meal that's ready for anything life throws at you. Keep these simple ingredients on hand and you'll never be caught off guard by hunger or cravings again. Eating well is all about being prepared and making smart choices. You've got this, one healthy meal at a time, fast, fresh, and full of flavor. These wraps are proof that healthy eating can be easy and enjoyable. That's how you win the night. Try it tonight and see how effortless healthy eating can be. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to make something delicious and nourishing even when you're tired. Healthy eating, no stress, no fuss, that's the Slimsync way. Ready to wrap up? Let's finish strong. On to the final thoughts because you're just getting started on your healthy journey. There you have it. 3 fast, delicious meals to help you burn fat, not time. No-cook power bowl, sizzling skillet, and refreshing wraps, all in 10 minutes or less. Being busy isn't an excuse, it's a reason to be smarter in the kitchen. These recipes are your toolkit for success. Take control, feel empowered, and transform your energy and results. Cooking is a 10-minute investment in yourself, the best one you'll make. You deserve to feel fantastic. Now get in the kitchen and try one tonight. If this helped, like, subscribe to Slimsync, and turn on notifications for more. Now get to it.